Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be really exciting. I've been waiting to film this video in general. So if you guys keep up with YouTube, you may have seen that RawBeautyKristi did a collab with Pure Cosmetics. If you guys don't know who RawBeautyKristi is, you are missing out. I discovered her, I think about like a year ago, and I love her. I love her sense of humor. I love the way she just presents herself, how humble she is, how honest she is, and how raw she is. So they collabed and they came out with a palette and two lashes. Unfortunately, I was part of the disaster of the first launch. I literally waited for like 10 hours, you guys. Yes, I was like on it, and I wasn't able to get it until later on at night when you had to like do the whole standing in line online, but I wasn't able to get the lashes. I don't know if it was a glitch in the system, but it kept saying that they were sold out, so I was only able to get my hands on the palette, which I am so happy that I was able to get my hands on it. So this is the look that I came up with. It's a very pretty like ombre sunsets look. I don't know exactly what to call this look, but it's definitely giving me like a sunset mermaid ombre vibes. I love this look. I think it came out so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video for Makeup Monday. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of my family. It is free 99 to join the team. And if you have been subscribed, then make sure you turn on your little bell notification so you never miss any of my videos. I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So with that said, grab your brushes, grab your RawBeautyKristi palette, and let's go ahead and get glam together. I don't have my coffee today. I only have water. So cheers to you guys, and let's go ahead and get started. Opening up our palette. How gorgeous is this? I wish you guys could feel it. If you have it, let me know your thoughts on like the quality, because I personally think it's really good. So I really want to create like I don't know, like a purple and turquoise. I feel like these are the colors that I don't typically use, and I am going to try and dig into the warm side palette, but if I don't, then next Makeup Monday, girl, we gonna be here. So let's go ahead and get started. Grab your brushes. I've already primed my lids. So the first color I'm going to take is this one right here, which is called Garden State. It is a really pretty like turquoise, aqua, I don't even know, but I know that she mentioned that these do have quite a bit of fallouts because they are like pressed pigments, so I'm going to be careful with that, but I'm going to start placing this right by the lash line, and I'm almost going to create like a very smoky eye, but it's going to be a colorful version. I have a look in mind. I don't know if it's going to work out the way that I want it to, but we're going to try it. I usually have like a plan when I sit down for my Makeup Monday looks. I like to brainstorm, and I'm like, okay, this is what I'm going to do, but I literally just received my palette today, and so here we are. Let's see what we come up with. I'm now going to go in with Hurtful, which is a deeper blue. And I'm going to switch brushes because I want this to be really into the crease. I don't want to bring it up too high. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe M507, which is a small detailed brush. And I'm going to start packing that on into the crease. Oh my gosh, this is super pigmented, you guys. This is literally like working with loose pigments, but they actually blend. Because if you guys have ever worked with like loose eyeshadows, like loose pigment eyeshadows, sometimes they can be a nightmare to blend. So I am going to pack it on first, which yes, it's gonna look crazy, but I promise you like the outcome is gonna be really pretty. I'm gonna go back with my Morphe M433, and I'm just gonna clean it off on my Vermona color switch. I like this brush because it's a little bit flat, so it allows me to lay it flat and really like blend out just the edges of the eyeshadow, which is exactly what I'm doing. I think I want to go in with a little bit of purple to like deepen things up. So I'm going to take Tribute, which is this gorgeous purple right here. I hope I can use like most of these colors in the colorful side of the palette. And if not, then we're going to have tons of more videos coming, guys. Let me see. I don't know if I want to keep using. I almost feel compelled to like use the same brush because it's just working out for me. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Dip into the shade Tribute. And I'm going to apply that right there. Oh, that's pretty. Yep. So I'm just going to like squish all these colors together. So you want to apply Tribute where we lay down Golden State. But just be careful not to bring it up too high. Yeah, that's going to look really pretty. This is kind of reminding me of like a sunset. And this purple is just going to bring everything together, I hope. And if this doesn't work out, then you guys are not going to watch this video. I'm going to go back with this brush. This is a clean-ish brush. This is BH Cosmetics Weekend Vibes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that that purple is nice and diffused so we can lay down our next colors. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to work with a few more colors, you guys. So to get a nice transition from the purple, which is Tribute, I'm going to add a little bit of Side Effects. That one's a really pretty bright pink. And again, I'm just going to use a little bit of it, mixing it with Tribute to get a really pretty like ombre look, just so everything can flow together. At the very end, I promise this is going to be one of the last colors that I'm going to use. I am taking Dandelion. This one is the closest yellow that she has, and I feel like Camelot is a lot more mustardy than Dandelion. So I'm going to go in with Dandelion, and this is going to be the final color in our sunsets look, if you will. Like I feel like this is like an sunset mermaid look. I don't know, it's really pretty, but I'm going to add that to the very end. And oh yeah, that's exactly what I needed. This is such a pretty palette, you guys. Oh my gosh. I mean, obviously I have tons of like colorful eyeshadow palettes. You guys know that. But I just like how easy these are to work with. This yellow one is definitely a little bit more like powdery than the rest of them. But that transition though, this is why I was trying to keep my colors really low, because I knew that at the end I wanted to add a pop of yellow. And this one is almost like at the brow bone, so oh my god, I love that. Okay, I am quickly going to switch brushes. I'm going to take a flat brush, if I can find one. I'm going to take a flat brush like this, and of course I'm going to use Lumos, which is the flat matte white, and I'm only going to take a little bit because this one looks like it's really pigmented, and I'm going to apply that to the brow bone. This gives a really pretty highlight to the brow bone without being too much, and it also helps you clean up the brow. So if you dragged up the yellow too high, then bringing that down, it's going to look so much better. Do you guys see how it looks like carved out almost versus this? Oh my gosh, I love this look. It is so pretty. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to go back and just re-emphasize some of the colors. I'm going to speed up the process because it's literally doing the same process over and over again, just making those colors really pop. So yeah, enjoy the next clips. I am going to throw a little bit more color into the waterline. So I am going to take this neon liner by Alley Girl. This is called Electric. But yeah, this definitely ties the look together. I'm going back into the lower lash line and I'm going to use Hurtful, which is the dark blue. And I'm really keeping this really close to the lash line. Really close. Now I'm going to go in with Garden State, which is the green turquoise. I feel like this is a color that I never use, and I'm so glad that it's in this palette so I can actually play with it. And I'm going to skip out on the pink and go straight in with the dandelion. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes to apply my lipstick, and I think this look is complete, you guys. If you want details on lashes and lipstick, make sure you check the description box for more information. So this is the look using the Pure X Raw Beauty Kristi eyeshadow palette. What do you guys think? I absolutely love the concept of the palette that you close it, boop, turn it around, and then you get a warm tone palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you guys do end up recreating it, please tag me on my Instagram so I can show you guys some love. What do you guys think of this look? And obviously let me know if you guys want to see more looks with this palette, because there's so many looks that you can come up with. Literally the possibilities are endless. So that is it for me, you guys. Again, thank you so much for joining me today for Makeup Monday. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please stay safe out there, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye. Mwah.